Welcome! First thing, now we'll start a short presentation from Cheyenne about the upcoming products and the new products we have in stock. At the end of the evening, we'll have a little giveaway. Yeah, have fun!
So historically this was used by architects. Usually I make a lot of different concepts and then the person that's getting the tattoo will have a look at it. Sometimes need to give them a bit of time. Sometimes they go like, oh, this one, right away. Yeah? He knew he wanted kind of black leather, maybe a little bit modern, so it's not historically correct. So I used the 3 for all the outlines and all the corners. Then I would change to 7 round shader 0.25 again to get more saturation if it has to be like really super black.
Like my technique is the round. I learned this from the Russian. I was working many times with Russian, and then I learned with this because they all use round liner, round shading. The next day, so it's gonna be like 10-15 hours break, so the skin will change. The skin will go down, the fever. But you need this hot, so that's why you put the plastic. This is what I'm saying. Check your hand, how deep how fast you move, or if you have your soft hand. You know, so I use it slowly, but with pressure. You know?
You can see also my workstation here, and I have every day the same workstation. I know every time, okay, I need this needle and I have it in my hands. Yeah, I'm very fast. Yeah. You can see on my workstation I have the paper on the right side when I'm working, and I have full of blood. I can try it. I can try it, and I'm feeling personally better. I'm feeling personally better.